Hey guys, welcome back to my house tour starring me as the main anime protagonist. So today we're gonna do an epic gamer house tour featuring me as the main character. So obviously we're gonna start off in the kitchen. We've got the food that is probably it's probably it's probably just rotten now. It really sucks. And then we got this, and actually that's the table for the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We got the pizza that the homeless guy gave me. Probably has like coronavirus on it. We got this. We got toilet roll, and we got an oven, and we got the fridge that is for some reason in the wall. We have my sleeping bag, my TV with my R-rated films on. We got my nice sofa. We got the basement. I'll show you that. That's still gonna be the final thing. We won't open that yet. In here we have my bedroom. I have the two double beds. So if one side gets really uncomfy, I can move to the next. I can trample whoever's sleeping on this side. We've got my gaming PC. This is the PCs. Yeah, this is the PCs we have nowadays, and this is the chair. And here's my floating mouse. I hope you guys like it. You should buy one. It's like £100. I have my lamp. You can turn on and off. I have my demon closet, and the final thing. This is my basement. I really hope you like it. I spent so much time in my basement.